growing outrage in the medical community as well as among concerned parents about changes that the Health and Human Services Secretary wants to make to U.S. vaccine policy. New polling from The Economist and YouGov finds that 50% of Americans disapprove of Secretary Kennedy's decision to dismiss the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Committee. And that's a supermajority of Americans. 76% say vaccines are safe. NewsNation weekend anchor Anna Koyman joins us now. Anna, why is this move causing so much controversy, you think?
Good morning, Markie. Good morning to everybody. So this all really got started when HHS Secretary RFK Jr. dismissed the entire CDC vaccine panel of 17 people and replaced them with 8 new members, some of whom have a track record of vaccine skepticism. So now next week, the new panel is set to review the measles vaccine in children under the age of 5 and re-examine several other issues that scientists and public health experts have long considered to be settled. The panel will take a closer look at 2 ingredients in particular: aluminum additives used in most childhood vaccines and thimerosal, which is a mercury-based preservative still used in some flu shots. The review could affect vaccines for polio, hepatitis A and B, HPV, meningitis, even whooping cough. Aluminum has been used to boost immune response for nearly a century now, and thimerosal was phased out from most pediatric shots in 2001, but still appears in multi-dose flu vials. And that's where this debate turns political. Before becoming HHS Secretary, RFK Jr. wrote a book asserting thimerosal causes autism and should be abolished. The health agencies RFK now leads have previously said those allegations were baseless. The general medical consensus is that these ingredients are indeed safe, but RFK Jr. and his panel, Markie, are not so sure and say it is time to reevaluate things. Though critics argue that RFK's actions aren't about extra safety precautions, they say they're about stoking distrust in vaccines.
And so, Anna, as we look forward to next week and all the changes and votes, what exactly will we see happening next week?
Right. So we've seen a draft of what the schedule may look like, the agenda. The panel is expected to vote next week on whether to keep thimerosal in flu shots. And a broader review of aluminum could come by mid-July. Of course, this all comes after RFK changed the CDC's COVID-19 recommendation without the panel voting on it. So this may be the opening round in a much bigger battle over vaccine policy and truly politics as a whole. And supporters say it's about time, RFK supporters say it's about time to have an open conversation about all of this. They feel censured to even use the word vaccine in places like social media.
Yeah, it's been a talker, all right, for people and families across the country. Anna, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.